Hey, this is Wes Bailey at Wes Bailey, attorney at law, and it's going to be a long form content, not too long, but pretty long to kind of help people out. If you go to my Facebook page or my Instagram page, you're going to see maybe a minute or two of things we talk about. But today we're going to talk about family law issues, and you get the minute here and a minute there, but kind of try to bring it all together today. So, number one, if you're going through a divorce in Louisiana, you always have to be separated. Okay. That means different homes, different roofs. So you got to have a different roof. A lot of people lie about that. We know that you're gonna get people that lie, and they lie to the courts, they lie to family, they lie to friends, whatever. But Louisiana law says you have to be separate and apart for 6 months or a year if you have children. There's exceptions to that, and that's where you need an attorney. So this is all just kind of to educate you on how these things work, how these things are going to affect you, and what you need, because there's a lot of things you can do on your own before you get to an attorney, but I want to educate you first. So the separation is always a must. Always have to have separate roofs, you can't be in separate rooms in the house, roofs, different roof. Think of a different place. Think of a, mom, dad situation. Someone lives at the home, someone lives in an apartment, someone lives in a trailer, whatever that looks like. If you have kids, it's got to be a year. And during that year, you can file for divorce and deal with all those issues that are going on as far as custody is concerned. So you don't have to wait till the divorce is over to deal with custody. Now, any judge in Louisiana probably will tell you, that they want you to try to figure out what is best for the children, because no one knows what's best for the children like a mom and a dad. Those are the children that you know their situation, their daily activities, their schedules, their eating plans, all that good stuff. And going to court with a judge who doesn't know, and he's only going to hear the best side of your story and the best side of the other story, and then they're going to hear the worst about what you have going on. It's not really going to give you the best outcome. And usually the family law court gives people a very bad taste in their mouth, because it's serious. It's terrible things that people have to go through. So you want to be able to try to find a plan that might fit you. It's not always possible. You're not always working with the person on the other side that wants to work with you. That's okay. Of course,